Today we are started to HTML course tutorial. Let's begin. First of all, full form of the HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. H for hyper, T for text, M for markup, L for language. Let's see another invented by HTML is invented by the Tim Bundy. Now see which things are required to write the code of the HTML. Let's example we have text editor, notepad, notepad plus plus, autumn, sublime, VS code or any. Most of the programmer are using the VS code editor. Now let's see structure of the HTML code. Let's first of all we write the doc HTML which represent the version of the HTML. Now here we opening the HTML tag. Now head tag, and here we write the body tag. Now let's see HTML is like a human skeleton like this is head and body. Now let's see the basic of the HTML tag. Let's see when the opening and closing bracket, here opening and closing bracket, this is our opening tag and this is called a closing tag, or in between the opening and closing bracket is called a content, which we are right. All things are called a elements. Now thank you for watching.